Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're comparing two popular smart lighting options, the Philips Hue Play versus the Govee Immersion. Let's dive in and see which one lights up your space the best. Philips Hue Play features. The Hue Play offers vibrant colors and customizable lighting. It syncs seamlessly with your smart home setup, including Alexa, Google Assistant, and Apple HomeKit. Lighting. With 16 million colors and adjustable brightness, you can create the perfect ambiance. The Hue Play can also sync with your TV for a more immersive experience. Setup. Easy to set up via the Philips Hue Bridge. It's flexible and can be mounted vertically or horizontally, making it adaptable to your space. Price. It's on the higher end, but you're paying for quality and integration with the Hue ecosystem. Govee Immersion. Features. The Govee Immersion offers real-time TV syncing with a camera that captures on-screen colors and adjusts the lights accordingly. It supports Alexa and Google Assistant as well. Lighting. With 16 million colors and smart controls, you can personalize your lighting, and it also offers RGB-esque technology for multicolor effects. Setup. The setup is easy with the included camera for syncing with your TV. It's a more budget-friendly option compared to Philips Hue. Price. The Govee Immersion is more affordable, providing great features at a lower cost. Which one should you choose? If you're already invested in the Philips Hue ecosystem or want a more customizable and premium lighting experience, the Philips Hue Play is the way to go. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option with real-time TV syncing and easy setup, the Govee Immersion is a solid choice. That wraps up today's comparison. Which smart lighting solution do you prefer? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews.